Festivities continuing. An unfinished novel by Charles Dickens. Could this be the basis for a new hit Broadway musical? Well, from the raves that greeted Rupert Holmes's musical adaptation of The Mystery of Edwin Drood when it first opened at the New York Shakespeare Festival, it certainly looks likely. And with a cast starring such marvelous performers as Betty Buckley, Cleo Lane, and George Rose, it seems just about a sure bet. And now here are a few moments from this new production of The Mystery of Edwin Drood as Herald Square becomes a bit of England.
I have faced my fortune and return. What advice I'm giving to all living is just to learn what I have learned. Life is here, there can be no victory in defeat. If outnumbered, beat apart to retreat to the nearest shelter and begin. When you live, then you win. I have read the writing on the wall. Try to live forever and give up never. The fight you'll need the wherewithal. Don't you hear the lightning as I hear inside me to read the writing on the wall.
Odds or even heads or tails, it's high or low, or black or white, or up or down, or left or right, or night or day. Nature seldom hesitates to most obligingly provide an undisclosed opposing side to one's dismay. There's shadows on a shining wall. If there's a rose, it bears a thorn. You're good as dead as soon as born. And yet we smile, but luck's division is perverse. It seems to work more in reverse. If things are better, they'll be worse in just a while. Hey, penny, one penny, two penny, three penny, one to a shilling, twice that to a florin, and would you not fancy the currency foreign to find the same paper was that in the coin? Bob is your uncle from pennies to guineas, the 2 penny bits is the rule of exception, and would you not guess by the rule of deception to find the same paper was that in the coin? Hey, penny, two penny, three penny, one penny, to a florin, and would you not fancy the currency foreign to find the same paper was that in the coin? Both sides of the coin!
My friend bet 10 pence and won and fled. How sad, I say. So that's your wildest dream, I read. Quitting after winning 10. I double up my bet again. In life we start the same as when you're down. If you win, you're just where you've begun. If you've won, don't quit while you're ahead. Just press your blessed luck instead.
I know there must be love that's yet to be, only just 3 winks away from me, hopefully. Don't quit while you're ahead. Don't say I'm off to bed. Farewell.
Well, I know. Don't let the moment go to waste. Not with victory close enough to taste. Keep the ball with all you hear. For God to say, so praise the faith you spoke a lucky vein never break through any lucky chain of refrain. So quit while you're ahead, and if it understand, deep sorrow for me. Oh, bang it back there, glory be. Oh, bang it back there, glory be. Oh, quit while you're ahead, see how and more it more for me.
Terrific. Also starring in the cast were Patty Konauer and Howard McGillen.